Hello everyone, welcome to my channel techitechnions. In this video we are going to learn about external CSS. First we are going to create a new folder. Name it CSS. Inside this new folder, make a new file style.css. Remember to put the extension as .css. In this we are going to write all the styling properties. Whereas in the outside file we are going to make another file for the external CSS. Copy the previous code. I want two paragraphs here. I've already created two paragraphs. Now save this file. Click on live preview. We can see the previous styling part here, but we are going to remove this styling and place it in style.css part. However, we don't need the styling tags here. Now we are going to connect the CSS file with our original file. For this we will use the link tag. The relation will be style sheets. Type will be text CSS, and the most important part, the connection. Reference will be CSS and then that file. This is a self-closing tag. Save this file. Now I will do some modification here. I want this to be pink in color. See. In this way my code appears to be very neat and clean, and I can do the styling anywhere else. We will also understand the styling of IDs and classes in the upcoming videos. Thank you for listening to this video. In the next video, we are going to learn about classes and IDs.